I don't know. Miss, bitch. Oh, I was about to start lighting you up. ATM skin flute. Mm-hmm. Ah, fun. What? All right.
Enemy at Alpha! Enemy at Alpha! Fuck, where did everyone go?
Who shot me? Oh, that guy right there in the light, man. I couldn't see. Okay.
They're just ahead.
Fine, be a coward. Sit in a nice cement building. There's like fucking 8 people in there. What are you talking about? No, it doesn't matter.
I'm low on ammo.
I mean, what the fuck? My gun went weird. I can see inside of it. They actually modeled the bullets inside the rifle. That's pretty cool. This guy beside me can't shoot to save his fucking life. Who is that? Where that came from, but alright. Good gun. Good gun. Good gun. I watched a bullet ricochet off that plastic tube beside me, and it threw out sparks for some reason as it caught me in the face. I don't know what happened there, but alright. Maybe from the left. Maybe that's what happened. Aim, fucker, aim. Jeez. Fucking Edis. No, Edis. He wouldn't actually, like, taking his time to shoot, though. He was just spraying.
Enemy taking Bravo. Hey!
Yep. Dude, dude, dude. Alright. I think I've got 5 kills. How you check your challenges? while we're doing this. Challenges. Hit escape and go to challenges. Okay. I'll go with this. Get rid of this. We need a flashlight. Okay. Oh. Okay. There's two people where we usually go. That's funny. Hello there. Got me a light. You do for me. That's inconvenient. Yeah, here. That's poison. Yeah, I got into it. It turned yellow. Maybe it's not. Either way, I don't like it. Yeah. There's people in there where we usually was. Like, I'm some go over here where Payne usually is. And that guy came out just to block a shot for his buddy. Hello there. Good shit. Man, she got through it. You can have a flashlight. You trying? My time for wrestling. Huh? 9 o'clock. What? Damn. I thought the day was isn't that Friday night now? Yeah, today is Thursday. My bad. Okay. Yeah. I'm using our side still. What are you using? That's what I had. I watched blood flow out of that dude's forehead and then he fucking got up. What? Okay. I shot him 3 times. The pistol. Fucking Makarov.
Do you really want to die out here?
It's you and one other person. Neff Knightley. And he's not aiming his gun, he's using a laser sight. Which is whatever, but I can get it in other games like Ready or Not or fucking Body Cam. Why in this game? It's so fucking fast paced already.
They're dead. Need to reload here. Dead. Low ammo. Low. Enemies coming. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, good to go. Okay, ready. Call for explosive artillery right here.
Station, this is Observer.
Okay, loading. Yalla, let's do this. Okay.
Station understood. Explosive rounds on the way.
Let's do it. All right, I'm good. Shells coming down.
Hell, I got stuck on that damn little wall. I was like, what? I didn't go flat top like I wanted to. Also, this site's weird, but whatever. That's where extra point came from. I switched to M16 A4. So I can put no more sights on it. Not when it's dark.
You can really use some smoke. You can smoke this position.
Yeah. I thought so too, but he's come walking out. Oh, bomber. I know, right?
I'm reloading.
Alrighty.
Yeah, good to go.
Much better. Wait, what?
Green to green, dude. Let's go.
I didn't get it. Damn it. Oh, at least my pistol has a flashlight, the flat top. Grenade.
Grenade.
It sure did. Yeah, me too. Grenade. Might landed in the explosion of the other one. Yeah. I know he heard that grenade fall. Okay. No wonder he has drum mags. Holy shit. I ain't got drum mags yet. You're dead, man. Yeah. What are you shooting at? Oh my gosh. What level is this dude? 33. Is he on console? Yeah, he is. Okay, that makes sense.
Fuck! Over there!
Grenade.
Hey!
Bad time to reload.
Firing! Enemy!
He threw a grenade. Okay. He didn't throw it very well. Yeah, nah.
You should run! Come over here then! Go fuck a donkey! Haqtulak inshallah!
People do that, I guess, man. I don't know. Let me behind you, dude. Or just... What? Why? Okay. That man would have fucking murdered us. Make no damn sense. What's he doing?
Okay, let's do it! Yeah, good to go. Okay, let's do it!
You got a hog?
Tell them to send
Oh.
explosive artillery on this location.
The tavern, yeah. Or whatever it is.
Observer, this is station. Affirmative. Steel rain inbound.
Yeah, same here. Oh fuck. I'm trying to buy the fucking house again. The fuck? Yeah, I'm fine, yeah. I'm still alive anyway, I don't know about them. Yeah, I did. Our Democrats texting me. Is there any amount of money we can convince you to donate to Roy Cooper? No. No, I don't like Roy Cooper too much. Right, what nothing? But I ain't gonna send him the fucking money cause he's texting me on my phone. Well, you can send him some money if you want to.
Bruh,
You wanna send
every
Roy
fucking
Cooper some
time,
money?
man. It's such fucking bullshit.
What's it got to do with Linda?
Noise pollution.
Noise pollution. They put up big old cement barriers for blacks. Did Vladimir Putin?
Bro, that fucking landed on your head.
A grenade just fell right in front of his face and exploded. Who was this?
Yeah, good to go. Bring the radio over here. I order fire support. We need the radio over here for fire support. I need explosive artillery on this position.
Observer, this is station. Roger that. Keep your heads down.
I'm reloading. Get ready, here it comes.
You know drum mags bring up your recoil, fuck them.
Nah, it's hip fire, man.
Yeah, bro.
Enemy to the southwest. No problem.
Got you, jump mags, bring up recoil, what? I'm like, I don't give a fuck, dude. You're fighting 500 angry
Bro,
ass
you
fan
shot me through
people.
the fucking wall, dude. Like, it's fucking agitating, bro.
ground. Do it. Stop it.
Get moving!
You missed the first one. It was empty.
Why did you fucking aimbot it through a wall? Fuck's sakes.
I see how I survived so long because he died. I could move around a bit more. He missed that first fucking 50 cal shot. I seen it go through the walls. Like, oh, some bitch. It's a little bit. Jeez. Yeah, me too. I got 140 bucks. Oh, about 100 and 140. You get what you earn, Payne. You get what you earn. I want to tell you.
Yeah, boys, let's play this hard map.
Sure.
Fuck yeah, brother.
The guy's trying to give me advice, man. Look at my level, motherfucker. You're just a little bit higher than me. I don't want to hear that. Go away. 570, I think.
Where's the observer? Come to me! Don't be stupid, man! Give up! Wait! Hold on!
Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on?
Boys, we need smoke.
What's up?
Shit, nothing, man. Chilling.
You smoke!
Please, we need smoke. It'll save our lives.
Hey, bro, I already got the smoke, bro. I'm smoking a joint, bro. What you mean?
Yeah, well, let's get some smoke in this map.
We need
Oh, type shit. I'll blow it through the fucking microphone.
God damn it, brother. We're gonna fucking die now. Like, smoke makes it so the suicide bombers don't go off. I guess we're fucked now.
check your ammo!
I got a smoke canister.
Just shoot him before you see him. Come this way. Reload. A man with a pistol exploded and killed me. You know, I watch these people and how much ammo they waste and all this other shit. Like, how the fuck?
Hey, I'm down to my last mag.
Hey, bro, look up, look up, look up.
That was honestly a clean transition, though.
I got 10. That went through 3 and 16 mags. Yeah, damn. That man exploded.
green, dude. Let's go.
There's Molotovs in the stairs.
Okay.
All right, get smoke artillery to fire right there.
Station, this is Observer. We could really use some smoke cover on this target.
Observer, this is Station.
Hey! Flash! Use the smoke!
Yeah.
But I like these new sights, they're fucking fire.
Yeah, I love the Romeo.
Yeah, I like the... I don't know if you're talking about the square one or anything, I don't go off their names. The square one's my favorite, but I'm using the little round one because I don't... It's kind of good for the M4. The only thing I dislike about that sight is you can't really see anything like around you.
Yeah. That's all.
Hey, who called the smoking? Why would you keep calling smoking?
Because, bro, the suicide bombers don't go off. I played this round a lot.
Like, they don't spawn?
RIP those bombers. RIP me.
Oh.
Oh my fucking god, dude.
That was actually my favorite spot in this entire map.
My fault. I fucked up with the Molotov.
No, you're good.
Oh. Bro, I fucking hold that shit so good. Oh my god, I fucked up.
Usually, one time when I was playing with this one dude, we held it to like the last, like, that point to like the last wave.
Yeah, bro, you need fucking Molotovs. Molotovs and smoke.
Honestly, right here, we could really just use smoke canisters.
I don't really fuck with smoke on this map.
Observer, get over here now.
Tell them to send explosive artillery on this location.
Oh
Observer,
shit.
this is Station. Affirmative. Steel rain inbound.
Just a sec.
Dead. I was blind, but dead. Got the guy at the door at least. I just shot him blind. What gun is that? Oh, G36C, whatever. Oh. Yeah. Iron sights are crazy. Yeah.
I got a Draco.
Oh yeah, brother.
He's got a
Like a
Draco.
VPAP, but a Draco. For my hood terminologies, this is called a Draco.
All right, I'm good. I need an observer. Okay.
No, Draco's
Green, dude. Let's
little baby AK.
Hey, bro, can I call something over here?
Observer, get over here now! Bring a radio over here. I order fire support. Sure. No problem. Station, this is observer.
Hey.
Call for fire.
I didn't shoot because that teammate was right there. Yeah, I know. I seen, yeah, it's the same guy too. That's why I didn't react at first. I thought it was him. I seen a flash and you fell over.
Yeah, here we
now.
go. Green to green, dude. All right, I'm good. Green to green, dude. Let's go. Just a sec, reloading. I need explosive artillery. Roger. Station. Loading. Loading. We need explosive artillery on this target. Can you do it?
Observer, this is station. Affirmative. Steel rain inbound.
All right, I'm good. Get ready. Here it comes.
AK-47, my favorite. Yes. What Habibi?
You know how flash steal. Oh. I think so, yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, good to go. All right, I'm good.
Okay. No problem. Call for explosive artillery right here. Red station, this is observer. Call for fire. Explosive artillery on this side. Reload.
Understood. Explosive rounds on the way.
Yeah, okay.
We can just not. We die. If we die, they're all gonna come and behind them anyway.
It's outgoing.
And they died last time.
I'm going to reload.
Loading, loading. New magazine.
Let me shoot, please, game. Thank you.
Oh, watch your backside.
I'm reloading.
Fuck.
Shit. Fuck. Let's kick some ass.
You gotta defend the point, bruh. The point.
No! Reloading!
He's not, but he's one of the best.
I need smoke cover here. Get some cover. Station, this is observer. We could really use some smoke cover on this target.
Observer, this is station. We copy. Smoke on the way.
Oh! I got caught from so far away by somebody in the fucking head. I did, yeah. I see the flash. My head went. What you be mean to him? Yeah, if you had me to. I should be had. Oh, man. Right. Yeah, we never seen it into that. Sit there and wash some clothes. She's in the pod. She's still right now.
Suicide bomber incoming.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think she's using that.
Anyone out there?
She's been using that detergent though. Yeah. That's easier for her. She can just pick up the cup and hold the little button and fill up for her. Oh, it's just him. Alright, man. Yeah, it's just mana. Ah. You didn't kill that guy, dude. If he clicks him, like, hey, you know, drum mags have more ammo than standard mags, right? I mean, we're like close to the same. We both have like over 5 hours on the game. Don't tell me how to fucking play the game, dude. That's not. Yeah, I had somebody way back at that fountain down there. Just go. Whew, and I didn't even hear the shot. I just see the flash. And I was just. I was like, well, okay, I'm dead. From so far away. I posted up there with my bipod and I had my fucking scope. I was like, alright, good. Which is what would really happen. I mean, it's people with rifles. Yeah.
Get some smoke out there! We need smoke! We should use smoke! Get some smoke out there!
Don't be mean to the hookah, man. Those things are expensive.
Lol.
Okay. Green to green, dude. Let's go.
Okay, ready! Okay,
Don't care. What the hell?
radio needed over here! We need the radio over here for fire support! Alright!
Perfect.
Facility to fire right there! Station! This is observer calling for smoke artillery! Fire on this location!
Did they at least die first?
Oh, I think they're sending missiles.
Load again.
Yeah, missiles incoming, boys. Get indoors. Don't go outside yet.
Moment, yeah, that's all I can afford. It's a good pistol though.
Oh my god, I fucked up.
Okay, ready!
It happens, man. It happens.
Loading!
good.
Let's go. Okay, yeah, good to go. Hey, Roger.
Yalla,
Let's do this. Damn it. Call for a gunship. Right here, hurry up. Station, this is Observer. Send the gunship to this area now.
Please don't die.
Station, roger.
I still gotta call in the miniguns, so please be careful. Please be careful.
Fuck, we all died down there. Suicide bomber came into a group of fucking big ones. Ah.
Bro, oh my fucking god. Just get your teammates killed.
Yeah, it's like 2 people.
Bucks to get on the point.
Grenade.
Bro, get on the point.
Alright, they're all done. Careful out there.
The sound finished, and he had a good second to have to still shoot that motherfucker. Half time I'll even finish hearing the sound before they explode. I wish the bodies stayed. This is to see how like the cards piled up. That'd be great. It would be. No, that'd be cool though. One grenade just defeat.
Hell.
I wasn't too far. Yeah, everybody got like above at least 70 kills though. We gave it a good try on that last one there. Don't you fuck my bud. Don't do it. Fuck your bud.